Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Vivo S1 versus a Oppo F11 Pro. And this phone comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 processor with a 6GB RAM, while the Vivo S1 comes with a new MediaTek Helio P65 processor with a 6GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came first on the Vivo S1, and Oppo F11 Pro is giving you a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. After that, this phone comes with a full view display with no notch and no hole. And Vivo S1 is faster and Oppo F11 Pro is right behind. So everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application is the phone dialer and faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, and Vivo S1 is right behind. Next up is the settings, and again faster on the Oppo F11 Pro. Vivo S1 is right behind. Mic lock, and that was about the same on both phones, showing me a accept thing, and that is faster on the Vivo S1. My files faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, and Vivo S1 is right behind. Next up is the calculator on both phones, and faster on the Vivo S1, and Oppo F11 Pro is right behind. So launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush on both phones, and you can see Oppo F11 Pro full view display, and Vivo S1 is faster and Oppo F11 Pro is right behind. S1 comes with a notch with a Super AMOLED display full HD. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and that is again faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, this time faster on the F11 Pro. So last game application is the Temple Run 2. And just a tiny bit faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, and Vivo S1 is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, faster on the Vivo S1. Oppo F11 Pro is right behind. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Vivo internet browser versus a Google Chrome. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser, and the first website we have is the apple.com on both phones, and faster on the Vivo S1, and F11 Pro is also done, and you can see looking very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. And the next website is the twitter.com, and let's see, and Oppo F11 Pro is showing me the Twitter login first, and it is faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, and Vivo S1 is right behind, and you can see I can't zoom in and out on the Oppo F11 Pro. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones comes with a 6GB RAM. So let's see who is the best in the RAM management. And that got refreshed on the Vivo S1 for some reasons, but the Oppo F11 Pro is so far is excellent in the RAM management. And last is having a internet browser on both phones, and overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, and Vivo S1 is right behind to the Oppo F11 Pro. RAM management is incredible on the Oppo F11 Pro, but one application is refreshed on the Vivo S1. I hope the RAM management will improve some software updates in the future. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo S1 versus the Oppo F11 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.